Hey guys, what's up? My name is Milind and you're watching my YouTube channel Milind's Perception. In this video, I'm going to express my special thanks to you all because of your love and your support. My channel, our channel Milind's Perception got is 500 subscribers. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Hello friends, I'm very happy that our channel has got 500 subscribers today. Actually, I have started my channel in the 8 months ago, 8th month before. In the month of November, I have uploaded my first video, and it was about the how to do study. And after that, I have uploaded my another video that is about the Lenovo IdeaPad S145 review. It was a review video of that laptop which I have bought, and after that I was uploading a lot of videos, and now I have surpassed my 80 videos on the channel. And again, after these 8-9 months, I got 500 subscribers. So it is because of your support, because of your love, and you have poured your love, your blessings and your support. I got the 500 subscribers, and I hope that very soon I will also surpass the 1000 subscriber mark. That is my next step, and in this way you should show your love, you should support me, you should help me to reach that 1000 subscriber mark. And again, I would like to express my immense gratitude, my special thanks to all you people. Because of your support, your love, and because of you, I got 500 subscribers. So once again, I request you that if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And when my 1000 subscriber complete, then I will make a dedicated video that how I have got 1000 subscriber. I will tell you my journey from 0 to 1000 subscribers. But I need again 500 subscriber to complete 1000 subscriber mark. So once again, I appeal you all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and please like this video, because your every like motivates me to make such kind of videos. And once again, share it to your friends this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you very much.